Hi. We all know that silver is really massively moving in the last few months. Now, there is an interesting level which is reaching now, which can be observed here. If you see, the all-time high came in 1980 February, which was at around $50 here. Again, the same level came somewhere in 2011 April. Now, the interesting point is now, right now, it's around $112 per ounce. Now, if you see in 1980, the highest value of RSI is around 97. We can see the value here. It's the peak out. When it has peaked out, the RSI value came at 97. Again, in 2011, the peak out level in the monthly chart, it came around 85. Now it's almost reached 95. Now that means the previous record, if you see even the historical record 1950 and 1960 zones and all, the highest peak level was around 98, 99. The peak level in 1980 is around 97, 98. Now current value of this is almost reached 95. So we are reaching the multi-decadal high of RSI level. So it's always necessary that we need to be cautious and careful in our silver positions, because there has been a mad move in silver. So there can be a sort of a surprise to all of us. So we need to be prepared and be alert in silver, because after the peak out at RSI 95 and 98, there has been a huge dip or profit booking there. So in case if the same thing repeats, there can be a chance of high correction in silver. So just maybe it's a suggestion to keep a stop loss 10% below the current position, so that we can carry forward our position forward, or maybe book some quantity and then keep our stop loss 5%, 10% below the current level. That is, right now it's around $112. If we take around 10%, maybe $99 or so can be a better level to keep our trailing stop loss for the positions what we have, so that we capture in case if there is a bigger move from here also. Because in the last leg, generally silver or any security, when it's in a euphoric zone, the moves are very violent and very aggressive. And if we want to capture the last leg and the highest peak also, maybe we can start keeping trailing stop loss and then continue our position, so that we can capture a big move on the top side. But safety is also essential at the same time. Happy investing. Thank you.